Hi all, this side Karthik. Welcome to my channel Tech Solution. Today in this video session, I am going to show you some basic Unix thing, which is really mandatory to all the OS administrator. However, it is in this I am going to show how to create files, or you can say how to manage files in Solaris 10. Okay, so for all over the newcomers and for all over the freshers, this is really helpful to understand it, helpful to learn, because of this thing is required for day-to-day activities. Okay, so please make sure yourself to concentrate while watching my videos, so that it will be helping you a lot to understand the concept, to understand my intention, what I am trying to mention. So for that, when you will face the issue, it will be not a big challenge to troubleshoot the part. Okay, so however it is, in this video session I am going to mention how to manage files. So first of all, let me mention you, there have 6 ways to create file. One is cat, let me mention here as well. One is cat and one is vi, is nothing but visual editor, and that one more is that vi or vim, you can say vi or vim. Vim is nothing but whatever edited thing, or whatever thing we can edit in a particular configuration file, those things it will come by come by color only. It can, you can say like green color, you can say blue color, you can say like yellow color, okay, something like that it will come. So why the vim is the next, you can say next version of vi. So what is their intention, why they developed vim is nothing but vi. Okay, so take an example, in a configuration file there have 1500 lines. Okay, there are 1500 lines. Suppose now the 789, the line number you are going to change. Okay, some parameter is there near 789 number, today you changed, okay, something like that, you change that parameter according to your requirement. After 6 months, again requirement is going to change. Okay, so according to that, after I'm talking about after 6 month example. Okay, after 6 months that requirement suppose changed. Okay, when that requirement changed, obviously the same, you need to come to the same parameter where you changed earlier, before 6 months back. There only parameter you need to change and you need to execute, then only will come to know whether it's working or not, right? So now come to the realistic picture. Okay, so after 6 months, when you will open the same configuration file, you may not remember, right? 789 number line you changed, or you edit, or you hashed, unhashed, whatever thing you have done last 6 months back, you may not remember. Not only you, I may not remember, because of we are human, right? So for this case, okay, what they developed vim. So till 6 months, whatever thing or whatever changes have done in that configuration file, those changes will come by color only, yellow color or blue color or green color. Okay, some color will come. So our eye point will go first to color only, right? So that it will be easy for us to find out, and we can do our task at urgent basis and quick. So that will be, it will saving the time, and we may not get irritated, yaar, where was that line, where is that parameter, who will search now, everything. Okay, we may not get this kind of irritated. So that is what they developed vim, which is next versions of vi, nothing else. Okay, then one more is gedit. Gedit is nothing but I believe everyone would be know. Okay, when you're going to open a file in the Windows, okay, how it is coming by not, take an example, notepad file, it's coming only notepad only, right? When you're going to write something, or when you're going to write something, it's coming by wordpad only or word file only. There only we can write something like that, right? So this is called nothing but, if you open a file here and you are going to create a file here by gedit, okay, it will come by that kind of notepad only, nothing else, which we are not using in our Unix environment. Okay, no need to worry about it. And another one is, there are one more called is nano. Which one? Nano, which is outdated, we are not using. And one more is torch. Okay, for our case, for our Unix, as a Unix admin, we used to use torch and we used to use vi or vim according to you, whichever is you like, and cat. Okay, this gedit and nano we are not using. Gedit and nano we are not using. Okay, let's now go ahead to create directory and to learn how we can manage these things, right? Suppose I want to create a directory called file1. Sorry, I want to create a file called file1. It's not directory, it's file only. Sorry. So how I'll create? I want to create the same by cat file. So what is the difference here again? Okay, cat means when I'm going, before creating, let me mention you the difference between this cat and vi and touch, because of, as I mentioned earlier, gedit and nano we are not using, moreover, right? Nano is outdated and gedit is not outdated, but still it's not our requirement, we are not using. Okay, so we are using, as I mentioned, cat, vi or vim and touch, right? So what is the difference between these three things? Cat, it means when you are going to create a file, okay, and the moment you are creating the file, you want to put the data, okay, that time we can go for the cat only. Okay, and vi is nothing but basically we used to take care vi when you're going to create a configuration file, okay, or when you're going to create a hell lot of data, you can say more space data. At that time we can go for the vi, which cannot support cat or touch. Okay, this is what, nothing else. Most of time, I mean most of the scenarios, vi and vim is used for the configuration. Okay, and touch is nothing but touch we are using for empty files. Okay, suppose your manager will ask you today, so and so Karthik just or Ramo just create 10 empty file which will be requiring day after tomorrow for some of the users. Okay, so at that time you should go ahead to create file by touch only. So if you create file by touch only, what will happen? It will be creating empty files. Okay, so this is what all about the difference between cat, vi and touch. Now let's go ahead to do the same one by one so that we can get to know the real how it's happening, right? So I want to create a file and along with data. So what I'll create, I'll give cat greater than integer and give file1. So file1 is integer, this is my file name. See, once you execute this and just hit enter key, it will ask you data. It will not prompt you hash. Okay, it will come down, it will cursor will bring like that only. It means it's asking the data. Suppose I want to give data something here like that. This is my first line in the file 1. Okay, then hit enter key. Then now type something. This is my second line in the file 1. Again type something. This is my third line in the file 1. So once you return this thing, how will save it? Keep in your mind or note something, note somewhere how will save. You need to execute Control D. So once you execute Control D from your keyboard, then it will be prompting you the hash prompt. It means that file has been saved. Whether that file has been saved or not, whatever thing you written in the file 1, how you will come to know? You can come to know by executing cat file1. It will show you whatever data you kept in the file 1. Else there are one more also, cat less than file 1. According to you, you can go ahead, which will be easy for you. You can execute. Okay, this is what to create a file by cat command and to display whatever data you kept in that, right? Suppose today you create one file by cat and after 6 months you may forget, right, whatever data you kept in that, right? Or you create a file and you assign to a user, and that user what data he kept, and suppose you do have privilege for that user files, and you don't know what he kept or what he is keeping since 6 months. If you want to check, obviously you can go for the cat and that file name, so it will show you. Right now I want to append this file 1. I want to append this file 1. So just give file 1 and hit enter key. Suppose here I want to type this is my 4th line in file 1. Hit enter key, Control D. I want to check whatever thing I added here, those things I added or not. File 1. What it is showing? Yes, those things has been added. Where is that 4th line? Here. So those things has been, 4th line has been added. This is called append. Append means something but whatever data will be there, the same data will be available. Apart from that, what you are going to add, those new thing it will be adding. Okay, this is what the appendix, nothing else. Now suppose I want to redirect something, whatever thing is available in file 1, the same thing will be available in file 2. So what I'll do, cat file 1 then greater than file 2, hit enter key. Now if we execute cat file 1, whatever data is available here, the same data will be available in the file 2, cat file 2. See, same data will be available in the file 2. So this is what redirecting nothing but the same data will be available in different places, right? So I want to see, suppose more data I want to see. Let me create one more file so that it will be not confusion for you. File 3. Okay, here I want to type my good name is Kartik Chandra Sahu. I belongs to Orissa. I am working in IBM last 4 years. Please this videos I am making only for you guys, for your better understanding, to perform in your real environment, blah blah blah, whatever it. Okay, so this is what I written in the file 3. Now let me execute control D. Now this has been saved, right? So this many thing has been saved in the file 3 or not, how will come to know? Cat file 3, it will show it has been saved. Let me clear the screen, and suppose I want to see multiple file data at a time. So how I will see cat, suppose I want to see file 1 as well as file 3, it will show me see file 1 and file 3 data, right? Till file 1 this is the file, till this line this is the file 1 is available, right? And from here to here this thing is belongs to file 3 only, isn't it? Sorry. So now suppose I will create a directory, I will create a file called file 4. Here I will type only something ABCD, whatever it, okay, and then save it. Now if I'll open file 4, it's showing only ABCD, right? So what I want to do here, I want to redirect file 1 and file 3 data to file 4. I want to redirect file 1 and file 2 data to file 4. How I will redirect? Just execute cat file 1 and file 3 then greater than file 4. In file 4 only ABCD was available, right? So if I will redirect now file 1 and file 3 data to file 4, it means whatever data is belongs to file 1 and file 3, those data will be available in file 4 as well. So now let's check cat file 1. In file 1 this many data is available, then cat file 3, in file this many lines data is available, right? Then cat this file 1 and file 2 data will be available in the file 4. Let's actually see file 1 and file 4 data is available now in file 4, right? So now moreover, let me clear the screen. Suppose let me open file 3. In file 3 this many data are available, right? So I want to see how many lines are there. Okay, so now it's countable, right? 1 2 3 4 5 lines, right? So take an example, there I have 100 lines. Okay, instead of counting manually, if you give cat -n and that file name, it will show numbering wise. See, it will show numbering wise. How many lines are there? Total 5 lines are there in that. So it's numbering, right? Now suppose take an example in file 2. Okay, let me show file 2. In file 2 this many data are there, right? So in file 2 whatever data are there, I want to remove those data. I will remove, give 0 greater than file 2, hit enter. Okay, now if we execute file 2, data will be not there because data has been removed. Okay, it means file 2 is completely empty. Okay, so this is what the creation of file by cat command. Now let's go ahead to know about vi. So there, suppose there are one configuration file. Take an example, cat, let me see it, cat /etc /shhd /sh underscore config. No, this is not correct one. /etc /shhd underscore config. See, this is the configuration file about SSH secure shell. Okay, for all the newcomers, you might not have it. I already given this session in Linux video. In Solaris I'll give you very soon. Okay, if you want to go through that Linux, you can go through, you can open my old video sessions if you are interested to know about SSH. Okay, so what my intention is to show you here, in this is a configuration file. Okay, in this configuration file, if you want to change something, whatever, if you want to write some different kind of parameter, how will write? You need to come by vi only, right? Vi /tc /ssh /shhd underscore config. Now you are available in that. If you want to edit something, then you need to go for the escape I, then come down, wherever you type something, it will be typing. Okay, this vi manage, how to manage vi configuration file or how to manage a file by vi only. This is a complete different session, which session already been shared over Linux by me earlier. If you want to go through it, you can go through it. It's everywhere same only, but for this Solaris vi session I will give you soon as well. Okay, so this is what, you know, open a file or edit a file by vi only. Okay, nothing else. So vi, you know, brief information in Solaris I'll give you in a new video sessions. Now where you use escape and what is the use of I, what is the use of column, what is the use of Q, what is the use of exclamation, what is the use of W, how to copy a line, how to cut a line, how to move a line, okay, how to paste, everything, whatever thing is coming under VI, I mean VI management, this thing I'll mention in that video session. Okay, now suppose, let me clear the screen. Now I want to create some empty file. Okay, in that file data should not available. Take an example. So just a few minutes back I saw you how to create a file with some data, right? When I was creating, like, take an example, I was creating some file like that only I given, right? File 1, and file 1 I given some data only, right? So I don't want to create, I don't want to give any data. I want to create only the file. It's nothing but the empty file. How I'll create? By touch command only we can create. Touch, I want to create file 10. Now file 10 has been created. File 10 has been created. File 10 has been created under root. How will come to know whether file 10 has been created or not? You have to execute ls command. It will show, see, file 10 has been created here. File 10 has been created here. Right? So suppose at a time I want to create thousand number of empty file. How will create? You can create by touch file curly bracket, then give here 1 full stop 1000, then curly bracket over, hit enter. Now if you will execute ls, it will show 1000 files, empty files has been created, isn't it? So these all are 1000 empty files has been created. See, till 999 it has been created, 0 to till 99, right? So this is what all about the torch as well. Got it? So I believe you guys understand properly, but if still somebody's are getting doubt or somebody somewhere not understand, I like to request you to please give in comment section, so for that I can reply you or I'll try to understand what is your problem, why you are not understanding. According to you only I can give answer, so which will help you for your better understanding. Or if still you want to communicate with me via the phone, please view my profile, where I clearly mention my mobile number. By using that mobile number you can call me, so for that I can guide you. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and like and share this video links with your friends circle and whoever needed. So for that I can bring new tech solution, new requirement in front of you, which is really helpful in your real environment or is your practice session. Anyway, so thanks all to everyone, to each one, to following me, to watching my videos.